Welcome to the tutorial on how to enable private browsing on Reddit. Private browsing, also known as incognito or private browsing on some other platforms, allows you to browse Reddit anonymously and without your browsing information being stored. This feature becomes particularly useful if you want to explore or interact on Reddit without leaving traces in your browsing history, or without your search data affecting personalized recommendations. The first step is to open your Reddit application on your phone. After that, click on the profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Now, you can see your username here, and next to it is a downward arrow. Click on that. A small menu will open up. From that menu, click on the Anonymous Browsing option. This essentially won't save your browsing or search history. You won't receive personalized information or notifications. Now, just press OK and you will see that it has switched to a kind of black or dark mode. The entire background is dark, and my logo in the top right corner is a sort of neon blue-green color. To exit this anonymous mode, all you need to do is tap the top right corner again and press Exit Anonymous Browsing. Then you will return to regular browsing, including the home page, popular posts, and everything else. Now you can browse as if you're not anonymous, and your history and all other information will be saved. That's it for this video. We hope we've helped you. Thank you for watching.